I want you to stop whatever you are doing right now, because what I am about to share with you in the next few minutes could completely change your life. Imagine waking up every single morning. No stiffness, no pain, no struggling to get out of bed. Imagine your knees feeling strong, your hands moving freely, your body feeling 10 years younger. This is not a dream. This is what thousands of people are experiencing, simply by drinking one special morning drink every single day. And the best part? Every single ingredient costs less than $1. You already have most of them in your kitchen right now. Today I am going to show you exactly what this drink is, how to make it, why it works, and what happens to your body each day for 14 days when you drink it. Stay until the end, because I will also tell you the one big mistake most people make that stops this drink from working. Before I tell you about this drink, you need to understand why joint pain happens in the first place, because once you understand the root cause, everything else will make perfect sense. Inside every joint in your body, your knees, your hips, your hands, your shoulders, there is a soft cushion called cartilage. Think of cartilage like a shock absorber in a car. When your car's shock absorbers are working, the ride is smooth. When they wear out, every bump feels like a crash. Your joints work exactly the same way. Now, what destroys this cartilage? The number one enemy is inflammation. Chronic inflammation inside your joints slowly breaks down cartilage over time. And what causes this inflammation? Three main things. Number one, a poor diet full of processed foods and sugar. Number two, dehydration. Most people do not drink enough water and their joints literally dry out. Number three, oxidative stress from free radicals that damage joint tissue at the cellular level. Now here is the good news. All three of these causes can be directly targeted by one simple morning drink. Let me show you exactly how. This drink has only 4 ingredients: warm water, fresh ginger, turmeric powder, and lemon juice. That is it. 4 ingredients that work together like a team, each one targeting a different cause of joint pain. Let me tell you exactly why each ingredient is in this drink, because when you understand why, you will never skip a single day. Ingredient number 1, warm water. Not cold water, not room temperature water. Warm water. Why? Because warm water increases blood circulation to your joints. It helps flush out uric acid crystals that cause sharp pain, and it prepares your digestive system to absorb all the other ingredients better. Ingredient number 2, fresh ginger. Ginger contains 2 miracle compounds called gingerols and shogals. These compounds directly block the inflammatory chemicals in your body called prostaglandins and leukotrienes. In simple words, ginger turns off the inflammation switch inside your joints. Multiple studies have confirmed this. In fact, a 2015 study found that ginger was just as effective as ibuprofen, a common pain medicine, for reducing joint pain, but without any of the harmful side effects. Ingredient number 4, lemon juice. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen production. Remember, collagen is the protein that makes up your cartilage. No vitamin C means no collagen. No collagen means cartilage breaks down. Lemon juice literally helps rebuild your joints from inside. Now let me show you exactly how to make this drink. It takes less than 3 minutes, and you only need to do it once every morning. Step 1. Heat 1 cup of water until it is warm. Not boiling hot, just comfortably warm, like the temperature of a warm bath. Step 2. Grate or finely chop ½ inch of fresh ginger. Fresh ginger is always better than ginger powder because it contains more active gingerols. Add the ginger directly to your warm water. Step 3. Add ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir it well until it dissolves completely. The water will turn a beautiful golden color, and that golden color means it is working. Step 4. Squeeze the juice of ½ a lemon into the drink. Fresh lemon only, not bottled lemon juice. Bottled juice is processed and loses most of its vitamin C. Optional step. Add a tiny pinch of black pepper. As I mentioned in our previous video, black pepper increases the absorption of turmeric by 2,000%. This one small addition makes your drink dramatically more powerful. Optional step 2. Add ½ a teaspoon of raw honey for taste. Honey also has its own anti-inflammatory properties, so it is not just for taste. It actually makes the drink even more effective. Stir everything together. Your joint healing morning drink is ready. Drink it slowly. Do not rush it. Take small sips and let it warm your body from inside. Now, this is the part that most people are really waiting for. What actually happens to your body when you drink this every morning for 14 days? Let me take you through it day by day. Days 1 and 2, your body starts absorbing the anti-inflammatory compounds. You may not feel a dramatic difference yet, but inside your joints, the inflammation is already beginning to reduce. Think of this as planting a seed. You cannot see it growing yet, but it is. Days 3 and 4, the ginger and turmeric start building up in your system. Your blood circulation improves. You may notice you feel slightly more energetic in the mornings. Some people notice their joints feel a little looser, less stiff when they first wake up. Days 5 and 6. By now, the curcumin from turmeric is actively reducing the inflammation markers in your blood. This is when many people first notice a real reduction in pain. Days 7 and 8. You have reached the 1-week mark. Most people at this point report that their joint pain has reduced by 30 to 40%. Morning stiffness that used to last 30 minutes now lasts only 10. Some people stop reaching for their pain medicine for the first time in years. Days 9 and 10. The vitamin C from lemon juice has now significantly boosted your collagen production. Your cartilage is literally starting to repair itself. You may notice your joints feel more cushioned, less bone-on-bone grinding sensation. Days 11 and 12. Many people notice they can now do activities they could not do before, climbing stairs, walking longer distances, even light exercise, without significant pain. Days 13 and 14. By the end of 14 days, most people experience a 50 to 70% reduction in joint pain. The stiffness is dramatically less, the energy levels are noticeably higher, and many people say they wish they had started this years ago. Now, I want to be honest with you. Results vary from person to person. Some people see results faster, some take a little longer. But one thing is consistent. Everyone who sticks with this for 14 days notices a significant improvement. Now, I promised you at the beginning that I would tell you the one big mistake most people make that stops this drink from working. Here it is. The biggest mistake is inconsistency. People drink this for 3 days, feel a little better, and then stop. Then the inflammation comes back. This on and off approach does not work. Think of it like charging a battery. If you keep plugging and unplugging, the battery never fully charges, but if you leave it plugged in, it reaches full power and stays there. The second mistake, drinking it at the wrong time. Always drink this on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning before any food. When your stomach is empty, absorption is up to 3 times higher. The third mistake, using cold water instead of warm water. Cold water slows down your digestive system and reduces absorption. Always use warm water. This one small change makes a huge difference. Now I want to give you 3 bonus tips that will make this drink even more powerful. Bonus tip number 1. Add Moringa powder. Moringa contains 46 antioxidants and has been shown to reduce joint inflammation even faster than turmeric alone. Add just half a teaspoon to your morning drink for supercharged results. Bonus tip number 2. Drink a second glass of plain warm water 30 minutes after your joint healing drink. This helps flush out the toxins and uric acid crystals that your body is now releasing. Bonus tip number 3. Combine this drink with a 10-minute morning walk. Walking gently lubricates your joints naturally. A short morning walk pumps joint fluid through your joints and doubles the healing effect of your drink. Let me quickly summarize everything we covered today. The joint healing morning drink contains 4 ingredients: warm water, fresh ginger, turmeric powder, and lemon juice. Optionally, add black pepper and raw honey for even better results. Drink it every morning on an empty stomach. Be consistent for at least 14 days. Avoid the 3 big mistakes: inconsistency, wrong timing, and cold water. Your joints have been suffering for too long. They deserve real healing, not just temporary pain relief. Start this tomorrow morning, just 14 days. Give your body the chance it deserves. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button right now. It takes just 1 second and it helps this information reach more people who are suffering from joint pain. Subscribe to Heal Naturally for more powerful natural remedies every day. And comment below, tell me, how long have you been suffering from joint pain? I read every single comment. Your next video is right here. Watch it next. I will see you there.